All right, everybody. So you see, I have the Ryobi fans going. This is the RV. Just a quick look around here, brief tour. It's 31 feet, full kitchen, oven, oven, cooktop, range hood, microwave, all that, refrigerator, freezer. All this good stuff that fell down. I need to put that back up because it is hot as I don't know what in here. But the problem we're having, like I was mentioning before, is it has no oil pressure. Now, the guy who sold it to me told me that it needed a new oil pump and pickup tube. And guy that told it for me replaced the oil pump, but he didn't replace the pickup tube because he said it looked good. So here's what's happening. I have the drill on it, and I went and picked up a oil pressure tester. So let me show you guys what happens when I put the drill on it. Now, I haven't had the drill running. One time I did have the drill running for like 5 minutes. So let me just show you what it does now. Pay very close attention to the gauge. All right, the drill overheated. It's 104 degrees. Hold on. All right, so you did see it though. You saw that the pressure jumped up immediately, just a tad, but it won't go any further than that. So what I did was I added another quart of oil, because I don't know how, I wasn't here when they replaced the oil pump. He said that when you remove the oil filter and try to start it, turn it over, oil shoots out of the filter. Now, he said, so the oil pump is working, but you know, it's not getting oil up to the top of the engine, as we can see, because that only moves, well, that one only moves just a little bit. So I was thinking maybe there's not enough oil in there. I'm trying the easy stuff first. So I want to know what you guys think. Should I just keep adding more oil? I just added a quart. It didn't jump any more than it had already had before. But a quart is not a whole lot of extra oil. I don't have any extra oil on me. So I can run to the store, get some more oil, put like 2 or 3 quarts in it. It only calls for 5. So, you know, it should be doing something, I would think. Or do you guys think it's probably the pickup tube? He should have probably replaced the pickup tube, because this is not an easy job to do. You got to basically lift up the motor to get to the pan. And obviously no one wants to do that again. But, you know, anyway, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. I said, what, 102, 104 degrees? 108, my bad. And it's 6:16.